Okay, now that we have the square just how we want it, I want to make it all grouped together. So I can take my rectangle or my square outline and I'm going to move that to the top in my layers panel on the right hand side. Next, I'm going to take all of the elements that are inside of that square by pressing the first one, the words of the song, and then press and hold shift and press the last one. Now they're all highlighted and I can drag and drop them to the right of that square and they all become a part of that square grouped as one. See, check it out. All right. Now it's real easy just to highlight that square, press and hold option and drag and drop. And see how the green line pops up? So I know that that center square is perfectly centered. And the top square has a red line if you can just barely see it there, letting me know that they are top aligned as well. Okay, press and hold option, drag and drop again. And make sure it's lined up again with all of my lines, my green and red lines. Perfect. Now just to make sure, I can drag and drop over all, and I can go up to my alignment tool and I can space horizontally. And it looks like it was pretty much perfect. I'll press done and then press option and scroll out. Now I already have all three squares highlighted, so I'll press and hold option and drag and drop to copy those squares. Okay, and I'll do that again and again. Okay, but I want to group the three together, so I'll press Command G to group those top three, and then I'll group each line, Command G, drag and drop over the three, Command G, drag and drop, Command G. Now what I can do is I can drag and drop over all, go up to my alignment tool, and I can align vertically or space vertically. That'll make my spaces between each line even. I'll press done. And now I have all of my squares perfectly aligned, but I do see one problem, and that is I'm not leaving room to put my website URL. So what I'll do is with them all highlighted, I'll press and hold shift. Oh, that didn't work. Command Z will undo. So I will press and hold option. If it's not shift, it's option or alt on a PC. And I'll just make that whole thing a little smaller, and then I'll align it to the center. And now I have room to add my URL.